boy, Tricia, this dirt is in great shape. I mean, it's tilling up so easily.
Oh, thanks, Danny. Well, you know, it's taken quite a few years to get like this. To get dirt that's as rich as this takes a combination of the garden being used for a long time. I kind of let the leaves get in here, and of course I try to amend it, work with mulch and different things, and that helps create this really nice rich soil. And the other thing, by using all those things, the earthworms just love it.
Oh, I bet so, and they certainly can help out a lot as far as loosening up the soil, I understand.
Well, yeah, and of course that's one of the greatest things about tilling is because over the season, the ground, if you don't get enough rain or whatever, it tends to create big clods.
Oh, I see.
And so it's more difficult to plant.
Well, this size tiller is perfect for a yard that's in this good of shape. Of course, I've been in situations where I've had to go rent one of the real big ones, but they're only, you know, $30 to $50 a day, and that can really get a lot of tilling done in a quick time.
Oh yeah, and something this size, it looks like it'd be pretty easy for me to operate it as well.
Yeah, it's pretty lightweight, and it's actually a string trimmer that has the attachment on it, so you can use it for a lot of different things. But and what about a situation where if you had a lot of weeds or grass, do you dig those up first, or do you just till them right under?
Well, you know, there are two schools of thought. I prefer to try to get all the weeds out first because those seeds are always there. But some people just till it and hope for the best. That's why I carry this spade around, because, you know, this is my line of first defense.